Welcome to the in front of me POCO M5, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the to the additional settings. Then you'll see here screen recorder section. Tap here once, and to change screen recording quality, video quality, we should click here only on once on this section, and after that we can switch our quality, for example from 16 megabits per second to 50 to 4. So you can select one from this values. And that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can activate screen recorder settings. First, we should open notification panel shortcuts. After that, find somewhere here screen recorder icon, and then hold for a while this icon, and you'll launch the same screen recorder settings. And after that, you can switch here the video quality, for example. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.